The driver assistance display in your Audi consists of a feature called Area View, which gives you a representation of your vehicle as it travels down the road. To use the Area View feature, press the right arrow on your steering wheel to select the Area View icon. Once selected, the icon will turn red and an overhead view of your vehicle will appear in your digital cockpit. Any driving changes you make, like using your turn signal or braking, will be represented on the display, as will other vehicles that are driving near you. If a vehicle is driving in your blind spot, the feature will alert you with arrows in the corresponding lane. Once the vehicle is moved out of your blind spot or passes you, the arrows will disappear, and a new vehicle icon will appear relative to your position on the road. Area View can be used with driver assist features like active lane departure warning, lane guidance, and adaptive cruise assist. When active lane departure warning is enabled, red lines will appear in the Area View display when veering into a different lane. When adaptive cruise assist is enabled, the system will detect the nearest vehicle ahead. The targeted vehicle will turn green. Changes in the adaptive cruise assist distance setting will be shown graphically within the lane and on the back of the vehicle. Area View will display various indicators while using lane guidance. For example, green triangles will appear when lane guidance is activated. When changing lanes, white triangles will appear. If at any time you want to turn off Area View, use the arrows on your steering wheel to deselect the icon and display another view.